Welcome, everyone, to the channel. Today, we're strolling through the enchanting streets of Melbourne. Melbourne, the capital of the southeastern Australian state of Victoria, stands as the most populous city in the country, second only to Sydney. It's often referred to as a migrant city, embracing people from nearly every nationality, making it a vibrant hub brimming with diverse cultures and rich heritage, and let's not forget about its outstanding cuisine. If you ask any local, they'll undoubtedly suggest that you explore and savor every culinary delight the city has to offer before bidding it farewell. Melbourne is an incredibly accessible city, whether you're venturing out alone or with a group. It prides itself on an outstanding transportation system that seamlessly connects various suburbs through an extensive network of trains and buses. Situated on the coast, Melbourne unfolds its allure at the heart of the city with the contemporary Federation Square development. This area boasts plazas, bars, and restaurants along the picturesque Yarra River. Moving to the South Bank area, the Melbourne Arts Precinct takes center stage, hosting the Arts Centre Melbourne, a complex dedicated to performing arts, and the National Gallery of Victoria, showcasing Australian and Indigenous art. Now, what makes Melbourne such a popular tourist destination? Let's delve into some interesting facts. First and foremost, its location along the southeastern coast of Australia provides a unique blend of urban life and natural beauty. The city's proximity to the Yarra River, expansive parks, and the nearby ocean creates a perfect harmony between the urban hustle and the tranquility of green spaces. Melbourne's history is a captivating journey that unfolds in its architecture, from the sleek structures of Federation Square to the Victorian architectural gems scattered throughout the city. The Hoddle Grid, planned in 1837, marks the historical heart of Melbourne, with its straight streets serving as witnesses to the passage of time and the transformation of Melbourne into a cosmopolitan metropolis. Walking through the streets of Melbourne immerses you in a captivating fusion of old and new. Hidden laneways winding between contemporary skyscrapers lead you to cozy cafes, designer boutiques, and street art murals that bring the facades of buildings to life. Each corner tells a story, from the bustling markets to serene parks offering a respite from the urban bustle. Beyond its rich history and cultural diversity, Melbourne has gained recognition for its vibrant arts scene. Alongside New York and Berlin, it is hailed as one of the world's great street art meccas. Melbourne streets serve as living canvases for internationally renowned urban artists. Every corner, every wall, becomes an expression of creativity, transforming the city into an open-air gallery. The city has also earned the prestigious title of City of Literature by UNESCO, underscoring its commitment to promoting literature and the arts. This acknowledgement highlights Melbourne's significance as a global cultural hub that not only captivates with its architectural beauty, but also contributes significantly to the world of letters. As we wrap up this journey through the streets of Melbourne, I encourage you to share this video with your friends and leave your comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this Melbourne experience. The city offers so much, from its rich history to its vibrant art scene. Until next time, friends. May each step you take lead you to new and exciting discoveries. Don't forget to explore and share the beauty that the world has to offer.